You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word and clarify its correct pronunciation. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing in English like this, stay tuned, I've got more videos. British English pronunciation first. Gratuity. Gratuity. In American English, however, in the US, the pronunciation is more commonly as gratuity. So you've got a gr sound, tu sound rather than q, it's tu. Gratuity, and a flap T that sounds like a D. So the Americans say it as gratuity. British, UK pronunciation, gratuity. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.